Hi students, let us continue the chapter mensuration. Today we will see some problems on formula based problems. Okay. First question, the sum of the radius of base and height of a solid right circular cylinder is 37 cm. If the TSE of the solid cylinder is 1628 square cm, find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, that is the question. What is given actually? The sum of the radius of base and height. Let R be the base radius. And H be the height of cylinder. Okay, the sum of the what is given here, the sum of the radius and the height means R plus H equal to 37 cm. Okay, also TSA of cylinder is also given 1628 square c. But as per formula, what is TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h equal to 1628. I told you already, TSA of solid cylinder means 2 pi r lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. Okay, so already r plus h value is 37 is given here. I'll use 22 by 7 into r plus h value 37 equal to 1628. So from this I can find r now, right? So r equal to 1628 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 37 to 74, right? Let us cancel it. 11 will it go? 11 2s 22, 11 1s are 11, 5 will be there, 11 4s are 44, 8, 11 8s are 88, 2 1s, 2 7s, 2 7s are 2 4s are 74 gets cancelled. Then r equal to 7. What is r here? Radius. So from equation 1, r plus h equal to 37 we have. Already r I got here, 7 plus h equal to 37. H equal to 37 minus 7, 30. So I got base radius and height. Now what should you find here? Volume of the cylinder. volume of the cylinder. V equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square h, cubic units. Pi value 22/7. R square means how much? 7 into 7 into h 30. Cubic centimeters. Therefore, final answer is 4620 cubic cm. Okay, that is the end of solution. We'll see one more problem. A right circular cone of radius. Second problem. A right circular cone of radius 3 cm has a CSA, curved surface area, of 47.1 square cm. Find the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Use pi value 3.14. It is given here, so we should use the same value, right? So what is given? What is given? A right circular cone of radius. The radius of cone and the CSA of cone 47.1 square cm. But we know curved surface area of cone formula pi RL. We have CSA of cone equal to pi RL square units. So therefore pi RL is equal to 47.1. Okay, pi value how much here? 3.14. The radius is already given, so L equal to 47.1. So from this we will get slant height, right? So conical portion, right circular cone. Right circular cone. This is vertical height, slant height and base radius. And we have one relation also. Relation between L R H is L square equal to H square plus R square. Remember that formula. L square equal to H square plus R square. So I want L from here. L equal to 47.1 into 1 by 3.14 into 3. Right? Now I will remove the decimals here. L equal to, this is 471 by 10. This is 100 by 314 into 1 by 3. Now cut it. 0, 0 cut. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Right? $157 twos, I think so. This. Then L equal to, here 2 is there, 10 is there, 2 5s. So L equal to 5C. So what is L? Slant height. slant height L equal to 5 cm, right? Now slant height is there, radius is there. I want to find h. We have h square equal to L square minus R square from the relation. L square equal to h square plus R square relation is there. So L square means 25, R square means 9, means 16. So h equal to root 16 equal to 4 cm, right? Height is also there. Then now the volume of cone. Now the volume of cone. What is the volume of cone formula? 1/3 pi r square h cubic units. 1/3 pi value 3.14 into r square means 3 into 3 into h I got 4, right? 1 3 gets cancelled. 4 3s are 12 into 3.14. 12 4s are 48. 12 1s are 12 plus 4 16. 12 3s are 36 plus 1 37.68 cubic cm, right? 37.68. Therefore, what is the answer here? 37.68 cubic cm. That is the end of solution. Clear? Third one we will see. Third question. A toy is in the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone of base radius .5 cm, mounted on a hemisphere of base diameter hemisphere of base diameter 7 cm, means radius 3.5. If the total height of the toy is 15.5 cm, find the TSE of the toy. Find the TSE of the toy. Pi value 22/7. Okay. A toy is in the form of a cone of base radius mounted on a hemisphere. First draw a hemisphere. On that hemisphere, cone is there. Okay, right circular cone, and this is also radius. Base radius is common for both. So what is given here? Base radius r equal to 3.5 cm. So this is also same. Common base, that is base radius for cone and the hemisphere. Hemisphere diameter 7 means radius 3.5. Both are equal, right? And the total height of the toy is given. How much? 15.5. So if I see from the total height, if you remove 3.5, then we will get height of the cone. 15.5 minus 3.5. How much? 12 cm is the height. Right? 12 cm is the height of the cone. So, for the cone, base radius is given. Base radius of the cone how much? 3.5 cm. Total height of the toy. (15.5 cm). So height of the cone equal to total height minus 3.5. That will be 12 cm. You got it? From the total height, if we remove radius, then we will get height of the cone. For total height minus radius, okay? That is 12 cm. So this is called slant height, right? I want slant height also. Slant height L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. I told you relation between radius, height and L is L square equal to h square plus r square. L equal to square root of h square plus r square. What is the h here? 144 plus radius 35. 4 3s are 12. 1225 means 12.25. So 12.25 and 144. 156.25. So the square root of 156.25 is 12.5, 125. So 12.5 cm. You can use division method to find the square root. I told you already division method. Do you remember? 156.25. Take two digits. 1 1s are 1. 56 can be brought down. Double of 1 is 2. So 22 2s 44. 2 1. Decimal will go there. 25 should be brought down. 2 as it is. This 2 will become 4. Since last digit is 5, we will get 5 as it is. So square root method is that 12.5 cm. Right? So slant height is there. Now, what are they asking? TSE of the toy. TSE of the toy is equal to, how do you get the TSA? CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay. To get the total surface area of this toy, we have to add individual curved surface areas. Individual curved surface areas. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone formula pi RL and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So we can take pi r common, then L plus 2r. 22/7 into common radius is 3.5. L 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. So 7.5s can cut. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So 22.5 is 11 into this will be 7. 19.5. 11 5s are 55. 11 9s are 99 plus 5 104. 10 11 1s are 11 plus 10 21. So 214.5. 214.5. Somewhere it is gone. Check it here. This is 11 into 2 3.5 is 7. 12 plus 7 19.5. 195 11s we should check, right? Two 114.5. Check the calculation once again. .527. I think it is correct. Check it. If there is something wrong, you correct it. So, what is the total surface area of the toy? TSA of the toy is equal to 214.5. Check the calculation once again. Okay. So, we'll see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.